Vogel's getting the car just tuned up properly and making sure that we had to stumble in it pretty much since we got it. We're just trying to figure that out. But we'll start it up again. I better get my life sorted here. Yeah, just trying to get a stumble sorted, trying to get just our fuel mixtures right because we struggled a bit at Murray Bridge with the wrong air. We have a pretty conservative rich mixture at the moment, so we just want to optimise that and be the best we can be on the track. And yeah, hopefully that might be that extra couple % to get a win in these. I hate to say that. I never thought I'd say that this year. We might actually win a race in these, but see how we go. It's a tough gig. Just on a high at the moment, so we'll keep tracking along. Alright, back from Johnny V's. It's about 3 hours from home, so there's Dad backing in. It's about 12:30. We're probably even a bit later. Yeah, we've got learned a lot of Johnny's. So we got our fuel settings like optimized properly, just for that extra bit of crack, an extra bit of HP. Have my fuel sheets for all different weather conditions, so we don't struggle like Murray Bridge. And we got that pesky stumble out. That was just the butterfly synchronizing a bit funny. We had a good shot at it at home, and then we had the mules help us at Simpson, and then we've sort of just put up with it till now. But yeah, no, I'm really excited. Johnny was pretty impressed with the torque we got in this motor because it's the same cam and stuff as what's in our V8 Dirt. So it has awesome pull, and it just feels really good underfoot. So can't wait for Moama. We're here at Heartland Raceway, All-Star 360s round 7, I think. We hot as shit. I drew about pool 18, I think we got, so we're with some pretty stout cars actually. Maybe they think I'm somebody in this car, so I just think I'm just a shed racer. But yeah, just gonna try, like usual, come home straight and any results plus. that was probably one of the trickiest races I've done, probably my whole racing career there. It was cratery and really heavy at the same time and slick. So we were trying to rip through holes and then just settle the tyres down and roll through the slick, and it even got a bit of rubber, I felt at the end, at least on the exits, and the tyres staying, got a bit of rubber. You can see it's a bit darker there. No, we were ripping the first. I thought I was sort of going to end up on the podium, but a few little mistakes really cost us, but let a couple under. But hey, it was 5th from 8th, we'll take it. We had a pretty crazy start, about bin the thing in the fence, and just got in a mad push getting in. Probably just need to go for maybe a harder bar in the right front, the torsion bar, and keep my right rear compression the way it was. I just went a bit more aggressive with my right rear shock to try to get it to sit down in the slick, but probably a bit of a mistake on my behalf. But hey, I'm learning. I'm still trying to set these things up myself as I go. Yeah, on to Mildura next week.